So let's see what we got left. Not much. Oh, that's looking tidy. That is looking very tidy. I'm very pleased with that. Here he comes. Got some dust on the lens. Oh, that's going up quick. Let's get round that side where the sun is. Get a better. Always looks better in the sun. I need to clean this camera lens. We'll have a look at this when it's finished then. So he's going to be doing that. Only about another 3 loads, I think. Oh, let's have another look at it. You can see the bits of corn in there. Just, some more of that mud on the road from the other field now. We'll have a look when we're finished, I think. Okay, cheers guys. And that is literally the last bit of maize in the field being picked up. I just come along here to pick up the mud on the road for that outside this last field, and look, there they are. Look, I think they've done it. I've never been here before when they've actually picked up the last bit, but that is it. That is the maize harvest 2019 done for New House Farm, Titherington. So all he's got to do now is tip that, and then it will be in our clamp. And there's the guy coming down on the trailer, and there's the forager finishing up. He's probably going to be happy to go home. Look, the spout's moving. I presume that folds down. Yeah, look, the spout's going down, and he'll be off in a minute. Brilliant. Here comes the load. Alright, let's get back and put the sheet on. how neatly that folds up. Hey, alright, we got a full team on. Right, I just jumped onto the forager, they've just finished, and we got a special guest star. Hang on Mum, you're going to be on it as well. Hey, your Mum and Dad are camera shy. You're going to be on it. Hello. So you got a special outfit there, a special Fendt overall, that's pretty cool. How long have you been driving around on this? Have you been up here this afternoon, have you?
Just from school.
Just from school?
Yeah.
Which school are you at? Is it Crummell?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying that? How old are you then?
9.
9. My son Harry's 8, so you must be probably in the same year as him, I reckon, because he's 8 in July. Are you enjoying going around with Dad on the forager? Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've been around with your dad on the forager as well. I love it. All right, thanks very much for getting on the video. You're going to see yourself on telly later. All right, cheers. Bye. There we go then. So the forager's gone, and it's just a case of the JCB just doing his stuff, rolling this down. Always one of the most important jobs ever is the guy on the clamp. He's got to get it right. If he gets it wrong, then it's a rubbish lot of silage for the winter. This chap here, I don't know him very well, I've met him a few times, but he's doing a really nice, tidy job. Really pleased with this. It's not easy, especially when I leave a tyre like that, look, to hold the sheet down. Let me move that out of the way. You've always got to tidy up a little bit on your own. I'll probably fought that with a yard scraper because you can't get in right on the edge. But really tidy, really pleased. Good job. So we'll put the sheet on that later. Good job. Look, I'm going to climb up. Oh, wow, we've got a good crop of maize here. Much better. I might cut in last year's video, a little bit of that, I think, see how where we were last year. And I certainly don't think we got as far forward as that. I think we were more back here. There we have it. So there we go. The clamp's full. We're going to put the sheet on now. Nice, he ain't gone over the edges. That's good. Tidy. Tidy. So we'll put a sheet on there. I'll roll it down, and then we get some tyres or some straw on the top. In the meantime, he's rolling away. Rolling, rolling, rolling. More high. That's it then, load of man's off. Load of man's off. I'm just pushing it a bit up with the hand scraper. He's off. Hope he has a good beer tonight. And here's the boys. Alright guys? You coming to help? He's finished now. He has finished, Harry. Do you want a little job pushing this up for me? Are you going to push this up? That's pretty full for maize. That's what we normally make. Are you up, are you? Alright. Up you go! Come on! Don't stop! Don't stop! Oh my god. Have I got to do it as well? Yeah.
My socks came off.
Oh, you lost your socks? Yeah. Still got shorts on then?
Yeah. Why not?
Why not indeed? Oh god, you nutters. You like it up here? Quite good being up high, isn't it? You gotta get a sheet on. What time is it then? 6 o'clock?
Oh, 5 to 6, something like that.
Yeah. Right, Harry?
It's very dry around the edges.
That's right. Don't want it too wet.
It can get compacted a bit near the edges.
You've done a very good job on this clamp. Very pleased. What do you think?
Good.
You gonna eat it for breakfast?
No.
Cows eat it for breakfast?
Yes. Probably a bit wetter, but
Hey?
probably a bit wet.
Well, yeah, but it's not too bad. You're having a shower with Maize, are you? Do you know what? My socks have come off in my wellies as well. Oh, Harry, what are you doing, bonkers boy? Only twice a year you get to climb up here, isn't it? Wait.
What should we get him?
What you get him, you mean? Quick, run over him! Oh, oh God.
I got sweet corn in
Have you?
Boots are full of these.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, you wallies. Careful you don't step back over the edge there, mind, alright? There's a long fall down.
Trust me.
Yeah.
See that I do fall down. Socks came off.
Socks off.
Wow.
Right, yours.
Really
My socks are off. Right, I'm going to finish. You're going to push that up for me down there.
Yeah.
Go on, have a go, Harry. Have a go. Use the yard scraper. That's your little yard scraper, isn't it, Harry? Might be too much of that big lump. Try and push a little bit. Only the clean stuff. That's it. That's it. Come on, then. Might need your muscles in a minute, Jack.
I thought we come up to here.
No, it never comes up to here. It's always about the same. Last year's wasn't as good as this. You going to do it? Heave then. That's not. Go on then. Oh, go on. Perfect. Alright, thank you. Right, you're going to do that all that then, Jack? What are you doing? Oh, God, Snow Angel. Maize Angel. Maize Angel.
Oh, that was comfy. Sounds like a pillow.
Nice one. Cut to some sensible stuff at some point. Well, there we go. We've got the sheet on after the kids have stopped playing with the maize. Bit of fun there, really. Did that in the evening, and then just put a few tyres on here. I'm going to put some bales of straw over the back there, as we normally do. But it's definitely come forward quite a bit more than last year. There was more of a gradual slope up to the back, so we've gained probably a bay of maize, which is just as well, because it looks like the cows are going to be coming in early this year, and we'll have to start feeding this earlier probably. But for now, that is the maize clump as it stands. Maize-tastic. Okay, Maize Angel.